Oh, well, hello there. Welcome back to Cultural Anthropology. Today we're going to be talking about kinship, marriage, family. Um, so it should be interesting. And also a big part of what anthropologists really go out and try and understand family, right? Um, But first, before we do that, I want to talk about the movie for last week, The Linguists. I kind of want to talk about why it's such a great film in the first place, because it is such a fantastic example of sort of contemporary ethnographic research. Um, so whenever we go out into the field, we come across all kinds of different situations. This film does an exemplary example of what it's like to not only do linguistics, to study language, but also to engage in ethnographic research. And it's one of those films that it's just kind of a blast to watch, because you're learning about not only all kinds of different cultures from around the world, but and to see sort of like the perils that a lot of cultures are facing based on different types of cultural pressure. Um, but you also get to see what it's like to actually go into the field and like live as an anthropologist. What it's like to travel, some of the high spots and the low spots, and um, for as someone who's done field work before, uh, this brought back all kinds of great memories and terrible memories about being in the field and what it's like to sometimes be on your own. And so it's a fascinating film. If you haven't watched it yet, you really should. It's a great film. You can watch it through the link provided. So yeah, definitely watch it. Great film. The other thing I wanted to touch on as well is the homework assignments. Most of you have been turning them in, and that's great. Keep doing it. If you happen to miss one, go back and do it. Okay. You don't want to go out through the semester and miss a whole bunch of homework assignments, and then at the end of the semester get a lower grade because you missed some. If you turn it in late, I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with late homework. So just go ahead and make sure you fill it out. So if you've missed some and you're feeling bad about it, don't go back and do it. The other thing is when it comes to homework submissions, okay, and this is kind of a big thing, I only want submissions done through the text box available in the homework assignment, okay, which means I do not want anything uploaded to me. So, like Word documents or Google Share documents or whatever Apple uses. Do not write them out as files and then upload them to me. You can write them however you want. I don't care. Save them however you want. I don't care. But if you're going to do that, you need to cut and paste into the text boxes and submit it that way. The reason why is that some of you, for the most part, I don't have any big issues, but some of you like to use strange and exotic forms of writing programs, some of which I can't see, or I have to take extra steps to download them and then convert them, and it's just a major hassle. Most of you are fine, but the ones of you that make my life mildly irritable, I ask you to, instead of trying to upload files, just cut and paste. Just cut everything out, paste it into the text box. If it comes out looking a little funky, you know, the grammar, or not the grammar, I do care about grammar, but the format might be a little bit funky. I don't care. I really don't. It doesn't have to look like a super presentable paper, you know, especially if you're cutting and pasting from one program into the text box. Just get it in there. Try and make it look nice, you know, and readable, but just get it in there. So no file submissions. I don't want you to upload anything. Only use the text box. Okay. Yeah. All right, that's it. We'll start the lecture here in just a minute. All right. See you in a few.